If you've driven on I-66 outside the Beltway, you've probably hoped for a faster and easier way to get to places like work, appointments, and the airport, avoiding all of the congestion that comes with it. There's now a way to spend more time with family and friends and less time stuck in traffic. The new 66 express lanes are 2 new lanes in each direction along the existing I-66 corridor between I-495 Capitol Beltway and Route 29 in Gainesville. The new express lanes let drivers move at a consistent and reliable speed, even at rush hour. Traveling the 66 express lanes will help you get your kids to school, catch your flight, or arrive at that important work meeting on time. 23 entrances and 20 exits give you convenient access to every destination along the corridor, as well as all points east of I-66 inside the Beltway. Toll prices will fluctuate depending on the amount of traffic and the time of day, maintaining consistent speed of travel. Prices will adjust as traffic increases, dropping back down during lighter traffic flow. Signs before and along the express lanes will let you know in advance how much you will pay. You can also view the toll rates before you begin your drive at ride66express.com, so you can decide if the 66 express lanes are the best option for your travel. Exits will be clearly marked and positioned to allow ample decision time to exit. The 66 express lanes are all electronic and cashless, so there's no need for toll booths. The system reads your Easy Pass or Easy Pass Flex, and your tolls are automatically deducted from your prepaid account. But if you don't have one, don't worry. The system will recognize your license plate and an invoice will be mailed to the address of the registered owner of the vehicle. You can also pay on our website or via phone. The 66 express lanes offer you a faster, more reliable way to travel between the Beltway and Route 29 in Gainesville. So if you need to get home quickly because your in-laws arrived early, or you just realized the recital starts sooner than you thought, these lanes can help make sure you never miss a special moment. Visit ride66express.com so you can sit less and live more.